Looking for the best hand blender but overwhelmed by choices? Stick around. We've ranked the top models so you don't waste a dime on the wrong one. Starting us off in 5th place is the OVENTE HS560R, a lightweight and budget-friendly stick blender that's perfect for beginners or casual users. It's small, simple, and does the job if your blending needs are limited to soft ingredients and quick tasks. With 300 watts of power and just 2 speeds, this model won't be winning any races, but it's enough for whipping up a quick smoothie or pureeing baby food. The detachable stainless steel blending shaft is dishwasher safe, and the compact design makes storage super easy, ideal for small kitchens or first-time cooks. But let's be honest, this is a bare bones option. There are no extra attachments, and it struggles with tougher jobs like frozen fruits or dense ingredients. If you're planning to do more than blend cooked vegetables or mix protein shakes, you might find it lacking compared to higher-ranked contenders. So who's this for? If you're on a tight budget or just need a no-fuss tool for the basics, the OVENTE HS560R delivers decent value. Otherwise, hang tight, we're just getting started. And hey, if you're interested in any of these blenders, we've got links to the best prices right in the description below. Next up in 4th place is the Elite Gourmet MU-HB-1300, a cordless option that adds portability into the mix. It's basically the wireless cousin of the OVENTE, with a few cool upgrades. This model features variable speed control through a pressure-sensitive trigger, giving you more control while you blend. And since it's cordless, you can take it just about anywhere. No cord to get tangled or limit your movement. The blending shaft is detachable and dishwasher safe, and it's lightweight enough for easy one-handed use. But here's the catch. While it's convenient, it's still not very powerful. Like the OVENTE, this model struggles with hard or frozen ingredients. The battery life is capped at about 30 minutes, and some users mention concerns with long-term durability. Plus, it doesn't come with any attachments. If you're looking for a flexible, portable blender that can handle light kitchen tasks, this one's for you. Just remember, you're trading raw power for convenience. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more helpful reviews like this. Holding the middle spot in our countdown is the Mueller MU-HB-02. It's a well-balanced hand blender that brings solid power, useful attachments, and a wallet-friendly price tag. This model packs a 500-watt motor and offers 9 speeds plus a turbo boost, which gives it versatility across a variety of tasks. You get a stainless steel blending shaft, a whisk, and even a milk frother, great for making lattes or beating eggs. It's ergonomic, easy to clean, and compact enough to tuck away in any drawer. Still, there are a few things to note. It can only run for up to 50 seconds at a time to avoid overheating. The plastic gear connection isn't the most durable, especially if you use it frequently. And like others in its range, it's not made for crushing ice or blending really hard ingredients. If you want a dependable mid-tier blender with enough extras to feel premium without the steep price, the Mueller Ultra Stick is a great pick. But if you need something that can tackle tougher kitchen challenges, the next options are for you. Coming in second is the Vitamix 067991, and it's exactly what you'd expect from a brand known for power and precision. If you want professional level performance, this one brings it. With a 625-watt motor and 5 variable speeds, it blends everything from soups to batters effortlessly. The ergonomic handle and long cord make it easy to use without feeling tethered to one spot. And the unique bell guard helps reduce suction and protects your cookware. Nice touch. On the flip side, it doesn't come with any attachments, just the blending shaft. It's also not dishwasher safe, so you'll have to hand wash the blending arm. Plus, it's definitely on the pricier side, so it's an investment for serious cooks. If you're all about power and control and don't mind washing up by hand, the Vitamix Immersion blender is a powerhouse worth considering. But for an even better value, with smarter design features and accessories, check out our top pick. At the very top of our list is the Braun MultiQuick 7 MQ7035X, a feature-packed powerhouse that blends performance, design, and convenience better than any other model we tested. This isn't just about raw power. The MultiQuick 7 uses Braun's smart speed technology, meaning you control the speed by how hard you press. Super intuitive. It also comes with a chopper, a whisk, a beaker, and an active blade that moves up and down for more efficient blending. Add in splash control and ergonomic design, and you've got the most complete package. Now it's not cheap, and you do have to keep pressing the button during use, which can be tiring for longer tasks, but those are small trade-offs for everything you get in return. This one's perfect for anyone who wants the best of the best. Whether you're a home cook, a smoothie junkie, or someone who loves multifunction kitchen tools, the Braun MultiQuick 7 is the clear winner. Want to grab one of these top-rated hand blenders? Check out the links in the description to get the best deals right now. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest reviews just like this one.